Ladies and gentlemen, we will now proceed with the safety briefing. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact a member of our team. There are 6 emergency exits on board, marked with an exit sign. Please take a moment to locate the emergency exits. You will find 2 exits at the front, 2 of the wing exits, rear. If you have to evacuate, follow the fluorescent strips on the floor. Please remember that the nearest exit may be behind you rather than in front of you. Your seatbelt is fastened and tightened as demonstrated by our flight attendants. To unfasten, simply lift the metal flap. Your seatbelt should be fastened low and tight around your waist while the fasten seatbelt sign is illuminated, and also throughout the flight when you're seated. In the event of the loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop down from the panel above you. Pull the mask towards you and position it over your nose and mouth. Place the elastic band around your head and adjust if necessary. Breathe normally. Please secure your own mask before assisting children or other passengers. A life jacket is stowed in a pouch under your seat. Should you need to use it, take the life jacket out of the bag. Place it over your head. Tighten the strap around your waist by clipping it into the center buckle at the front and by pulling it slowly. Inflate by pulling forward with the red tab only when leaving the plane. If you are using the over-wing exits, inflate only after leaving the plane. If you need more air inside your life jacket, blow into the rubber tube. There is a safety card in the seat pocket in front. Please read it carefully, especially if you are seated next to one of the emergency exits. Thank you for listening. We take your safety very seriously. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure all these items are low and capital are closed. First thing is the aircraft condition and then are low and taken for the door. The visitors will then include and traffic. Just include the doors to the all and places on board. Please comply with all ordinance signs and pictograms and listen to and follow the instructions given practically. And you also must integrate other smartphones into the accommodation form. Thank you for listening and enjoy your flight. Den regeln med konstruktionen till fånget och det ska vara spectakulär. Det är så borde vara en väldigt stor del som vi har vårt arbete.
找我们应该是505 and then remaining